I think I messed up. Imagine a sunburnt tomato trying to wear sunglasses. That's how I felt during my first months in Belize. Did you know sun protection could be fabulous? Well, I bet you didn't know that 92% of fashionistas swear by these sun protection hacks. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and staying safe under the sun. Sun protection is crucial, and knowing the right tips and tricks can make all the difference. Whether you're at the beach in your backyard or just out and about, these hacks will keep you chic and sun safe. First up, hats. Hats are not just a fashion statement. They are a practical accessory that can protect you from the sun's harmful rays. The right hat can shield your face, neck, and even shoulders from UV exposure, reducing the risk of sunburn and long-term skin damage. We're talking straw, floppy, even that oversized one that makes you feel like a movie star. Straw hats are lightweight and breathable, perfect for hot summer days. Floppy hats offer a wide brim that provides ample shade, while oversized hats add a touch of glamour to any outfit. A great straw hat shields your face from the sun and gives you that "I'm on vacation" vibe, even if you're just in your backyard. Imagine lounging in your garden sipping a cool drink and feeling like you're on a tropical getaway. That's the magic of a good sun hat. Next, sunglasses, your eye's best friend. Sunglasses are more than just a stylish accessory. They protect your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to serious eye conditions, including cataracts and macular degeneration. Those stylish shades aren't just for looking cool, they play a crucial role in maintaining your eye health. When choosing sunglasses, look for ones that offer 100% UV protection. This ensures your eyes are fully shielded from UVA and UVB rays. Sunglasses come in various styles, from classic aviators to modern oversized frames. Find a pair that suits your face shape and personal style, and you'll not only look great, but also stay protected. Think of them as SPF for your eyes, but way trendier. Whether you're driving, walking, or just relaxing outdoors, a good pair of sunglasses can make a huge difference. And speaking of SPF, you better slather it on like butter on toast. Sis, sunscreen is a non-negotiable part of any sun protection routine. It acts as a barrier between your skin and the sun's harmful rays, preventing sunburn and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Sunburns are not only painful, but also damaging to your skin. Repeated sunburns can lead to premature aging, dark spots, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Go for a broad spectrum brand. Broad spectrum sunscreens protect against both UVA and UVB rays, offering comprehensive protection. Remember to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Taking care of your skin now will pay off in the long run. You'll have healthier, more youthful looking skin and reduce your risk of skin cancer. So, make sunscreen a daily habit, even on cloudy days. For more tips, check out AB Fab Design's latest blog. The link is in the description. Our weekly blogs are packed with fashion and beauty advice for us beauties over 50. While you're there, make sure to subscribe. Also, leave a comment to let us know what you'd like us to write about next. We love hearing from our readers, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions. Now back to sun protection. Remember, it's not just a summer thing, it's a year-round commitment. Even on cloudy days or during the winter, UV rays can still reach your skin and eyes. So, make sun protection a part of your daily routine, no matter the season. Whether you're heading to the beach, going for a hike, or just running errands, Make sure you're equipped with the right gear. A hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen are your best allies against the sun's harmful effects. And don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family. Sun protection is important for everyone, regardless of age or skin type. By spreading the word, you can help others stay safe and healthy under the sun. Let's make sun safety a trend that never goes out of style. Equipped with the additional tips in our blog, we can all enjoy the sun without compromising our health. So, embrace these sun protection hacks all year round. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into more ways to stay stylish this summer. And until next time, stay fabulous and sun safe.